Sleeping.
This is not cool, man. I hope you guys can see all this, because this is crazy. Can't wait for my mom's reaction, dude.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna scream me at us.
Yes, at us.
I mean at you.
No, at us.
I was sleeping, so we're excited. I'm excited. Yeah.
He's not helping. He is not helping.
How do you... Oh my god!
Ew, look at this.
Ew, no, that's even disgusting. That looks like pee.
That's so gross.
What's downstairs? Don't complain.
Seriously? Downstairs?
Isn't that where they didn't get Teddy?
Nobody lives downstairs.
Uh-huh.
We are the people from downstairs.
Oh! Yeah? Are you sure?
Unless you're speaking of the devil.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it scared me. Well, Michelle.
Alright, leave it. Help.
It's even harder.
Okay, she's supposed to be here in 10 minutes.
Yeah, Michelle, I'm scared.
I had a little accident with water.
Ándale, sécale de aquí, absórbele de aquí rápido. Y esa toalla estaba bien apestosa. Y el agua está hasta acá. Oh my god!
Never mind, I'm gonna try.
Gosh, this is horrible.
Horrible, right? Poseidon? Horrible! Oh! Oh, Poseidon needs a shower.
Look at it as we walk.
Watch him and then I'm like, what happened? There was an earthquake and it flooded our house.
My back hurts. Oh no.
Everyone's backs hurts.
Well,
Over there in the refrigerator, they sell these boxes with like sandwiches, hamburgers. Michelle!
huh?
These boxes of sandwiches.
Okay, I got it.
That are like spicy chicken sandwiches. Mom would just pay for the hot Cheetos, and then I told Mom, no, because Mom, what if we don't even have that much money? I mean, like leftover money.
Hey.
Did you like spill stuff all over the kitchen?
Yeah, look.
Just the kitchen?
The kitchen, living room, and that. Because of that.
Because of her.
Because of her.
Because of her. I went to go to sleep.
Because of her.
I had to come early from home.
Why?
I